a child's eye, every dad is a superhero. So tall, they can reach the highest shelves to get his kid's favorite snack. So strong, they never get tired of carrying their sleepy child. So funny, they can make every situation enjoyable. For children, looks or hair don't matter. To them, dads are role models that they want to become when they grow up. But what do dads think?
Siguro early this year or last year, I guess. Parang I noticed na ay matagal na siya tumubo. Like, in some parts, I realized sa photos din, ay napapansin ko it's kind of thinning out. Yun. So, doon ko siya napansin. So, I tried many ways to ibahin ko na lang hairstyle or ganun. Pero yun, mas napansin ko na siya early this year. Siguro multiple factors. Could be stress, genetics, no? I always look at my lolo and sabi ko, shucks, ayoko maging parang lolo ko. And, yun, but you cannot escape, I guess, your genes. Oo, napansin niya. It's like, joke about it. Pero alam niya, sensitive for me eh. So, medyo hindi siya ganun mag-tease naman. So, ba't sasabihin na, mahal lang pa rin kita. Ganyan. Pero sabi niya, pero magpaka-buff ka lang, ganun. Kung makalbo ka man, kailangan daw Chris Hemsworth na body. Sabi ko, wow! Pero sabi ko, kaya ko lang yung sa endgame na Chris Hemsworth. Yung one pack lang.
Androgenic alopecia is caused by hormone DHT, most common in men. About 70% of men are affected by this condition. In androgenic alopecia, the life cycle is disrupted. So, the anagen phase stops. So, the hair stops to grow.
Dads are human too, and like everyone else, they want to look their best. Regenlab PRP and Asian Hair Restoration Center work together to help dads regain lost hair and give back that youthful feeling.
Patients with androgenic alopecia are the best candidates for PRP treatment. No? This is best for patients with androgenic alopecia type 1 to 4 or 5, 6, as long as they still have the original hair. PRP, when injected, will release the growth factors which can induce or which will induce hair growth. PRP is a good option for those who do not like to undergo hair transplant surgery. It will extend the growth phase of the hair follicle, the anagen phase. The hair will start to grow thicker and fuller.
Quick naman siya. Well explained. Si Doc is very clear sa anong gagawin. So, initially, siya takot ako dati sa needles eh. So, parang galing lang. They knew what areas yung kailangan i-mark, ilagyan ng tattoo and to see, para makita na if hair would really grow back in those areas. So, excited for progress. Of course! Yeah, excited for, syempre, I want to see the success of the treatment. Comeback hair, ganyan. Bumalik ka. Oo nga. 20 ako, ganyan. So excited for this procedure. I think it would be good for other fathers then to experience it, especially for those who are concerned about their hair. Then it's for men especially, having a full hair gives that extra confidence wherever you are. You can treat yourself, look younger. Yeah, may dinner kami and then may conference kami attended. Pero since parang wala nga nangyari, I was assured na I would able to do my normal day-to-day activities after. Man bun! Gano'n. Long back.
Ano, like K-pop ba ito? Ganyan.
Yung mga K-pop, mga na-carry ng K-pop. Itim-itim ko. Siguro, hindi ka na mahiya na mag-hair, ano yun? Brush up.
Restore hair and youthful look with PRP.
To all the fellow dads out there, happy Father's Day. For once a year, we are the kings, no? And not our wives, but enjoy fatherhood. It's a tiring but at the same time fulfilling role that we will carry with us, you know, until we can breathe. So once a father, always a father. So happy Father's Day.
Find out if PRP is right for you by checking our website at www.spectrumed.com.ph